Today my video is for busway installation. I want to familiar about the busway installation. This is transformer. So this is transformer. Everyone know, but the incoming of the transformer is medium voltage cable like this, and this is going to this cabinet. Incoming in this cabinet, and then after that this convert to the low voltage in this box. See, normally we use this for cable, but this is busway because so it is connected by busway in the box, and after that it is continue like this by busway. This is the busway. And this one from transformer to next room, electrical room. See, all like this. This is connected to busway. Incoming medium voltage by cable, but outgoing by busway. See, you can see. And as per the rating, and if transformer capacity is as per the load, busway rating as per the load. Here you will see this busway, for example, is small rating. This is 4000 ampere, 3 volt. But if you see the other one, this is the big one, because this transformer 2500 kVA, and we use here big busway, 5000 ampere capacity. See, volt 1 2 3 4, it's big size. Same like this, it will be continue to the electrical room, all going to electrical room. And one AC box like this, incoming and then going to from this box. If we open this box, there is a flexible termination. This transformer has old concept, you see, old concept, yani cable concept, yani incoming same medium voltage, outgoing from this box, not from the busway. See, nothing going up, going by cable like this. And this is the difference between the cable and busway. Transformer by cable, and this transformer by not cable, by busway. This just want to understand this, what is the busway concept, just to reduce the cable size. And after that this is going to see, this is going to the next room. This is MDB room. Now I will show you the MDB room. नहीं बस 2 मिनट से 2 मिनट 2 मिनट ये खुला नहीं छोड़ना 2 मिनट. So from the transformer room is coming inside this electrical room and coming by this room and coming to the, see, we have this electrical room. So it will come first because of we have generator backup. So from transformer it will come to the ATS. See? And then from ATS to synchronization, and then from synchronization, and then from ATS to MDB. Like this, we have connection, all connection by busway. See? No cable. This is ATS. And this is MDB. Busway. Some cable output, yani from MDB output we have also busway and also cable, but maximum work is busway. Yeah, 90%, 95%. from ATS to synchronization panel. See, this is synchronization panel. And see, you see all connection by busway, in out. So we have in only and out by cable from down. There is down trench we have, and outgoing to the generator by cables, not by busway. Any busway is up to synchronization and ATS. Like this, see, this ATS incoming from transformer and from MDB, and outgoing, because there are two incoming only, outgoing by cable by down. But this ATS, if you see this one, we have three: one from transformer, one from MDB, one from synchronization panel. No cable here. And after that, when the power ready from this MDB and EMDB, this is output, and this one is input from transformer, and outgoing small one, you see, first small going to SMDB, outgoing. This one is outgoing. This all MDB, in, main in and out by busway, all like this. Incoming, this is incoming, this outgoing, all like this. For example, this is incoming main, and this outgoing to SMDB, and this all network you can see by busway. And after that, from all MDB, output is going to the riser, see, and then this is going to, see, this is going to main building या distribution SMDB panels, like this. This going. After that, it going to SMDB, and from SMDB incoming only, and then outgoing is cables. Okay, thanks.